carry a mosquito repellent because you're definitely gonna need one. Salt and pepper shakers, and I love how they give a traditional touch. Guys, definitely try their lal mas and dal makhni. It was so tasty that we ended up ordering it thrice.
Hi guys, good morning. So it's the next day today and we just got ready, clicked some pictures, and now we have to go for a breakfast. We're already very late and today we're even leaving for Pushkar. So I'm gonna show you guys how the breakfast of this place is. This is my sister. Say hi, Sierra. Hello. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how the breakfast is. I'm gonna make a nice video, put it after this video, and then I'll see you guys. Bye bye till then. Guys, so we've checked out of our hotel and now we're off to Pushkar, and I'm really very excited because it's the first time that I'm going to Pushkar. So before I end this vlog, because I'll be making a separate vlog for Pushkar, I would like to highlight a few points of the resort that I stayed in. So my overall experience was really great, and I'm a person who's a sucker for scenery. So the moment I stepped in the resort, I was in love with it. And the resort is really very calm, serene and pacific, and at night you can only hear the buzzing and the hum of different types of reptiles and insects, which honestly fascinates a lot of people. But I was very scared. I was actually hopping onto my sister every time I had to go somewhere. And I could not continue that part because I slept after my dinner. The dinner was really good. I loved the lal mas. Jaipur is really famous for their lal mas, and the resort proved it. It was really very tasty. We ordered it thrice. But there were some points which disappointed me a bit. The maintenance of the hotel is not done properly. I did not like the rooms that much. They are not maintained that well. So basically, I'll be emphasizing on all of these points in detail on my blog, which will be coming very soon. But I'm gonna give you guys few pointers. So basically, we got an email from the resort before we came, that which type of flavor would we like in our burner. But the burner was switched off as soon as we entered the room. I'm a person who's very scared of insects and reptiles. I actually cannot be near them. So it happened twice in my room that there was this, a lizard, and once a grasshopper. There is less staff. I don't know, it's because of coronavirus, it is because of the situation or in general, but the housekeeping is slow. After we complained 2 to 3 times, then they were responding quite well. But in the initial time, they were pretty slow. There is less staff. The hotel is not maintained properly. If you have Jio network, it will not work over there. I am a Jio user and my network wasn't working. The Wi-Fi over there was very slow, so this was another problem. And I've listed down the problems that I faced. I'll be focusing on all of them properly in my blog. So again, if you want to know the details of the resort, do check my blog. I'm not going to bore you with all of that in the video. So I'm going to now end the vlog. Overall, it was a pretty good stay. The place is beautiful. So now I'm going to catch you guys on my Pushkar vlog, and it's going to be a separate vlog. I'm too excited because we're going to travel to we're going to go to different temples, the markets and everything. And Pushkar is really famous for their food, so I just can't wait to go over there. So see you soon. And if you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.